Swami was so gracious enough. Swami select few of us, and we had the great good fortune of learning Vedas from none other than Brahmasri Kamavadhani Garu, who was a great Vedic scholar. And he has dedicated his entire life at the feet of Bhagavan and also for the cause of Vedas. And you know, Swami arranged special classes for us just behind the Purnachandra auditorium rooms. And for our great good fortune, Bhagavan himself used to come and sit in the class. He used to make us chant individually. He used to correct our pronunciations. He used to correct our intonations. And I remember when each one of us were asked like that, one of the boys told Swami, I will chant along with all the other boys. I am not confident of chanting alone. Swami said, nothing doing. I will not agree for that. I want each one of you to learn the Vedas properly, and you should chant confidently. That is what Bhagavan said those days. Those were the days.
I recall one very beautiful experience. It happened during the Navaratri time. We just learnt Rudram. Bhagavan wanted the Vedam boys also to join Kamavadhani Garu in chanting the invocatory mantrams before Bhagavan's discourse. We chanted that. Bhagavan was very happy. After Bhagavan's discourse, Bhagavan retired to the green room of the Purnachandra auditorium. He was explaining and clarifying the doubts of some of the elders who were seated there. We as Vedam students also followed Bhagavan, and we were part of that group and enjoying Bhagavan's blissful proximity. There was then collector of Anantapur in that group, and he was very pleased to see students chanting Vedam. He mentioned to Bhagavan, Bhagavan, your students have chanted very well. As proud mother, he was very, very happy. He said, my boys are not just Vedam chanters, they are studying in the college. Along with their secular education, they learn the Vedic mantrams and learn about the Indian culture. He was very happy. And then the collector asked a very intelligent question. Swami, do these students know the meaning of the Vedic mantrams? We were all scared because we only knew the general meaning which Bhagavan tells about Vedas, but we did not know the individual mantrams' meanings.
Only Swami had to come to your rescue.
Yes, who else could do that? We prayed to Bhagavan, and then merciful Lord came to our rescue, not only saved us, but gave us a beautiful revelation. He said, yes, my students know the very essence of Vedas. He said, even if you do not know the meaning of each and every line which you chant, it is enough if you chant them with devotion and fervor. And then he gave a beautiful analogy. He said, if the mother wants to put her baby to sleep, she sings beautiful lullabies. The child does not know the meaning of the words of the song. It does not know the rhythm. It does not know the raga in which it is sung. It simply enjoys the sweet love of its mother and then goes to sleep. And then Swami said, even if you do not know the meaning, if you chant with devotion, it confers peace and prosperity and your spiritual upliftment. So, he not only saved us the big embarrassment, but taught us the importance of chanting the Vedic mantrams daily for our own spiritual growth.
embodiments of love.
ఇట్టి వేదమును సర్వుడు కూడాను ఉచ్చరించవచ్చునని పూర్తి కూడా భగవంతుడు అని అనుగ్రహించాడు.
God has gifted Veda such that all can chant repeatedly.
దీనికి జాతి మత భేదములు ఏమాత్రము లేవు.
The Veda chanting has no differences like caste, creed and community.
Come on boys.
Boys, come on.
American. Guru. స్త్రీ సూక్తం చెప్పండి. స్త్రీ సూక్తం.
ఓం హిరణ్యవర్ణాం హరిణీం సువర్ణరజస్రజాం చంద్రాం హిరణ్మయీం లక్ష్మీం జాతవేదో మావహ తామావహ జాతవేదో లక్ష్మీమనపగామినీం యస్యాం హిరణ్యం విందేయం గామశ్వం పురుషానహం అశ్వపూర్వామృతమద్యాం హస్తినాగప్రబోధినీం శ్రియం దేవీముపహ్వయే శ్రీర్మా దేవీర్దుషతాం కాంసోస్మితాం హిరణ్యప్రాకార.
ఈ విధంగా ప్రతి దేశంనందుకు ప్రతి జాతికి ప్రతి మానవులకు తెలిపించాలనేటువంటి ఉద్దేశము స్వామి యొక్క ఉద్దేశము.
It is Bhagavan's decision that there should be Veda chanting in every country, by everybody, by every caste, by every community, by every individual.